Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to talk about today's trades. Today is August 11. It's a Thursday. It's just after lunch, and I've had 3 trades today that were winners, 3 in the books. There were 4 possible gap trades today. So in my course at LazyGapTrader.com, I teach 2 gap trading strategies. One is the morning gap trades, and the second are the gap fill trades. And right now, since we're in the heart of earnings season, the morning gap trades come fast and furious each and every day for the most part. So because of earnings, stocks are gapping higher at the open, stocks are gapping lower at the open, and it creates opportunity where you can find price levels where a stock should have a price reaction in the other direction. If you can find those support and resistance levels that I teach in my course at LazyGapTrader.com, then you could take advantage of these situations, and when a stock is gapping up or down at the open, you too can find the precise level where those stocks should have a price reaction in the other direction. Let's take a look at the email that went out to subscribers this morning for the 4 potential gap trades from today. So here were the 4. We had Kohl's Corp, Alibaba, Macy's, and Brinker International, ticker EAT. Kohl's Corp was another trade that I caught live, so that's also another video that's posted on the YouTube channel. So we'll just cover that one real brief, but there's a whole live trade. I think it's only a 3-minute video. The whole trade takes a minute and a half or 2 minutes, and then it's over. So there's a separate video on that. Alibaba did not hit its level today. That was the one that becomes a no trade. And Macy's and Brinker actually also hit their levels today. So 3 for 3 in trades that hit their levels. Let's go take a look at Kohl's, Macy's, and Brinker right now. So Kohl's, we had to go down to a 1-minute chart to show Kohl's because it happened so fast. And if you want to see how fast it happened, you can go to the video on Kohl's on the YouTube channel, and you'll see the live trade, only a couple of minutes long. But you can see here, 42.97 was the recommended sell short level. Here, let's take a look at the levels in the email that went out this morning. 42.97 on Kohl's, Macy's was $40.07, and Brinker was $53.50. And so write those levels down, and let's go look at the stocks right now. We'll go back to Kohl's Corp. So as soon as the stock got to 42.97, I took a short position, and then the stock just a couple of minutes later was down at a low of 42.31. I actually bought back the shares at 42.54 for a total gain of 43 cents on this particular trade. It happened in a flash. So you have to have your order standing. And these are the things that I teach in the course at LazyGapTrader.com. But since there's a video on Kohl's, go watch that one. Let's talk about Macy's real quick. We'll switch over to a 5-minute chart. Take a look at Macy's. The sell short level on Macy's, here was another one. Kohl's and Macy's were gapping higher at the open, so we've identified a resistance point where we're going to sell the stock short. So the Macy's short level was $42.07. You can't see the number, but you can see the purple line on top of the screen. Stock made a high, just a few pennies more, at $40.09, just 2 cents more, and then the stock sold off just a little while later, making a low of $39.49 for a possible gain of 58 cents, or a maximum, I should say maximum possible gain of 58 cents. So anywhere in 30, 35, 40 cents, tremendous gain on a $30 to $40 stock. Okay, so another one in the books, and this trade is over. Let's go ahead and take a look at Brinker International. And here again, we'll take a look at a 5-minute chart. You can see the purple line at the top of the screen running through at $53.50. Brinker closed yesterday around 47. By the time it got up to our 53.50 level, it was up about 13 or 14%. And what happened was it hit a high of $53.69, only surpassing the level by 19 cents, well within our stop loss limitation. And as you can see, just 20 minutes later, Brinker was at a low of 52.63 and even slightly lower than that. So right around an 85 to 90 cent maximum potential gain in Brinker in only 10 minutes of trade time. In my course at LazyGapTrader.com, I teach you how to identify the specific price levels where stocks will either run into resistance, meaning they're going to pull back, or they'll find support, meaning they're going to bounce higher. And if you can learn how to do that, you can create opportunities for yourself when you see stocks moving in one direction or another, knowing that nothing moves in a straight line. With that, I'm going to give it a wrap here. I appreciate you tuning in. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Come check out the course. You can get a 2-week free trial to my gap trades if you want to see those each and every morning. Whatever you like, let me know how I can help you. David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com.